What is that sound? Is it a bear? Listen, Nancy. Do you hear the sound?
What is that?
It is a waterfall.
What is a waterfall?
It is a place where a river goes over a high edge and drops down.
This is the trailhead. Everyone stay together.
I have the map and the compass on my phone. And I have the trail snacks. Let's go!
This hill is easy, but don't rush, Max. Small steps. Breathe slowly.
Up, Daddy. I'm tired.
Oh, it's too early to be tired, but okay. Up you go.
The ground is not even. There are lots of roots. I wish I had my hiking stick.
We need to go up this small hill, and then we'll reach the river.
Dad, what is the hill?
Is a small, raised area of land. It's not as high as a mountain.
Follow me, team. Rule number 1, stay on the trail. If you go off the trail, you might get lost out here.
Okay! What a big waterfall! Oh, look at that rainbow! Dad, how is a rainbow made?
Sunlight shines through raindrops and splits into colors.
The waterfall is so loud!
Sweetie, keep a safe distance. These rocks are slippery.
Look at that river! Where do rivers come from, and where do they go? Rivers usually start in mountains from rain or melting snow.
And they flow into a lake or the ocean.
How can we get to the other side? Not through the river. The river is too strong. We must use the bridge.
Remember, we drink from our water bottles, not the river.
Can I touch water?
Just with your fingertips, okay?
This canyon is so narrow. Hello? Whoa, my voice is echoing.
Yes, the sound bounces off the rocks.
Quiet voices, buddy. We don't want to scare the animals. Look up! There's a mountain goat on the cliff.
Oh, how can it stand there? It's really good at climbing. Its hooves help it grip the rocks. Look, deer footprints in the mud. Ooh!
Let's just look at them, not follow them.
We arrived at a wetland. A wetland is a wet place with shallow water where many animals live.
Like birds?
Yes!
In the wetland, there are so many mosquitoes that they bite you.
A mosquito bit my hand.
Let me clean it and put some ointment on it. That will help.
Dad, where are we going now?
A little farther, we'll get a beautiful view of the valley and the mountains.
Look at that valley. It's amazing. That mountain. Can we climb that big mountain? I want to see the peak.
We'll stay on the easy path and save the big climb for another day.
But you can use the binoculars to look at the peak.
Let's climb down these rocks carefully.
Hold on. I'll go first, then I will help you down one by one.
Wow, look at this lake. The water is so calm and clear.
Can we go boating?
Yes, let's go boating, but we do it safely.
Hooray!
I'll sit still.
Can I hold the paddle?
Yes, hold the paddle with 2 hands. Slow strokes. Keep it in the water and don't splash.
Wow, the lake is so calm and clear. You can see the fish in it.
Yeah, and the lake is surrounded by pine trees.
Wow, look at this place. The landscape is amazing.
The sky is clear. I can even see snow on the peak.
Come on, let's take a quick selfie. Okay, we need a tent, poles, stakes, rope, and a hammer. First, hold the tent poles. Then we'll use the stakes and the rope.
Got it.
Great. Now push the stake into the ground. All right, everyone, our tent is ready. Max and I will set up the sleeping bags and sleeping pads. While we do that, please stay close to the tent. No running near the ropes and stakes. They can trip you. And keep the zipper closed so bugs don't get inside.
Good. I will start making dinner.
Got it. I'll watch Nancy.
I'm just getting the grill ready. What are we gonna cook? For camp dinner, we usually keep it simple at camp, and tonight we have burgers and hot dogs. When will it be ready? I'm so hungry. Not yet. First, the grill needs to get hot.
How long does that take?
About 5 to 10 minutes.
What do we put on burgers? Burgers have a bun, pickles, tomato, a beef patty, lettuce, cheese, and the top bun. That sounds delicious. And what do we put on hot dogs? Hot dogs have a bun, a sausage, ketchup, mustard, and maybe some onions. For sides, we have grilled potato, grilled corn, grilled peppers, grilled zucchini, and grilled mushrooms. Kids, dinner is ready. Max, can you please set the table?
Sure. What do we need?
Plates, cups, napkins, and forks. Please.
I set the table.
This burger is so good after a long hike.
Yeah, camping food tastes better outside.
I like the hot dog.
The grilled corn is my favorite. Can you pass the ketchup, please?
Here you go.
What will we do after dinner?
How about we sit and watch the sunset?
Yes.
Let's take a quiet moment. The sky is turning orange and pink.
Daddy!
What is a sunset?
A sunset is when the sun goes down and the day ends.
Bye-bye, sun. It's getting dark, but what do we do?
Don't worry. We have a flashlight, a rechargeable light, and a lantern.
And we stay close to the tent.
I'll keep my headlamp on, just in case.
All right, everyone. Time to get into your sleeping bag. And the last person in, please zip the tent all the way closed.
Okay, but I heard something.
What did you hear?
A noise outside. What is that?
It's probably the wind or a small animal.
Are there bears here?
Sometimes, but it's rare.
And we're prepared.
What do we do if a bear comes?
First, we stay calm and stay inside the tent. We never keep food in the tent. All food stays in the car. If we hear something, we talk to Mom and we don't go out alone.
A big bear looks for food and finds nothing, so it leaves quietly.
Good morning.
Wow, it's so bright.
Morning, team.
Did you sleep okay? Yeah. I slept really well.
Look, there's mist over the lake again.
Nice. After breakfast, we'll take a short walk and enjoy the view.
Wow, the lake is covered in soft morning mist.
All right, team. Last look. Did we leave anything behind?
Nope, the area is clean. Leave no trace.
Great job, everyone. No trash left behind. The fire is completely out, and we don't damage nature.
Great job, everyone. Nature stays beautiful when we respect it.
Wait, do we have to walk back the same way we came yesterday?
Nope. We will go boating to where we parked the car.
Did you enjoy this story? Did you learn any new words? Then like and subscribe. More videos are on the way.